Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 8, in this unit, there is a poem. The poem name is Vocation. What is the poem name? The poem name is Vocation. Okay, so who has written the poem? The poem has written by who? Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who? Rabindranath Tagore is from India. Okay, so in this poem, I have completed what? The explanation. Now comes to the MCQs, multiple choice question. The first MCQ is the speaker of the passage. Here given the passage. Okay, but who? The passage is from whom? Which poem? About what? A baby, a young man, a school going child, or a school teacher. So this poem is about what? A school boy, a school going child. Okay, so C is the correct answer. A school boy wants to become gardener, watchman, and what? Hawker, because he wants to be free just like them. Okay, a school going child. Number second, the speaker seems to be disgusted with whom? The gong, the hawker, the school, the discipline. The speaker seems to be disgusted with what? Disgusted with the principal, discipline. The discipline. Okay, why? Because always not disciplined person make him good. That is why the speaker in the poem seems to be disgusted with what? With the discipline. Now number third, the speaker seems to love his school, the Bengals, the hawkers, the freedom. So in the poem, a school going child, what? He wanted to be free. So the speaker seems to love what? Love the freedom. He wanted to be free. That is why. Okay. Number 4. In number 4, the passage has been taken from which poem? Means this poem, what is the name of the poem? Vocation, Vatif, Beauty, the Quarrel. So the poem name is the Vocation. What? Vocation. Now the noun form of spending. The noun form of spending is what? Spend. Spend is verb form sperm, spender, and spend. Spend past participle. So the noun form is spending is be. Spender. What? Spender. Spender is the noun form. Now here, see, the author of this passage, means the author of the poem is, who has written the poem? R.N. Tagore, Silverstein, L.M. Halley, or Eleanor Virginia. So the author of the poem is option A, R.N. Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has written the poem Vocation and talking about a school boy. Okay. Number second, the speaker loves the gardeners. Gardeners what? Gardening, digging, freedom, dress. The speaker means the boy, a school boy. What the loves the gardeners? Gardeners freedom, not gardening, but his freedom. The speaker loves it. Number third, the one who is taken to task for getting baked in the sun is what? The gardener, the Bengal seller, the speaker, the watchman. The one who is taken to task to getting baked in the sun. Baked in the sun. Who? The speaker. The speaker. That is the answer. Number 4. The gardener's tool is his tree, plants, soil, spade. So the gardener used which tool? The gardener used the spade for digging. Okay, so D is the correct answer. The noun form of see. The noun form of see is what? So, sight, seen, seeing. So the noun form is see is sight. What? B. B is the correct answer. Sight. Okay. Now comes to next. The common point. What? The common point between a gardener and a watchman is. What is the common point between these two person, gardener and a watchman? Option A, job, poverty, age, or freedom. What? The common point between this gardener and watchman is this: freedom. They both were free and do their work without any type of disturbance. So they were free. So this is the same freedom. Freedom is the common point between these two, gardener and watchman. Okay, number second. The speaker wants to become. The speaker wants to become what? Gardener, watchman, free, or Bengal seller. Gardener, watchman, and Bengal seller means the hawker. The speaker wants to become a type of these three. But why the speaker wants to become gardener, watchman, and Bengal seller? Because they are free. So the speaker wants to become what? Free. He wants to be free. So free is the correct answer, not gardener. Because a schoolboy, he doesn't know about these three. He wants to be free. He saw these three persons. They do their work. Okay? And whatever work they do, they like it. That is why the gardener means the speaker wants to become free and do their work. Number third, the watchman comes on duty when the child sleeps, the gardener comes, the Bengal seller comes, the sun rises. Okay, the watchman comes on duty when at the night, when all were sleeping. So option A is the correct answer. The child sleeps. That time the watchman comes on duty. Number 4, the speaker is. Who is the speaker? An old man, a young man, a child, a woman. The speaker. So this is the poem about whom? A poem about a boy, school going boy. So this is the, who is the speaker? A child. Who is the speaker? A child is a speaker. Now the word dark. Dark is what? Noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. So we can say dark is the word given. Dark night. So night is the noun and describe this word dark. So dark is the adjective describing something. Okay, given information about night. So dark is the adjective. Then next here, the lamp is dark because what? It is night. The people don't like light. The weather is cloudy. There is no mood. So the lamp is dark. Why? Because it is night. Number second, the street is lonely because people fear to come out. People are asleep. There is curfew or nobody lives in this land. So the street is lonely because people are asleep. Lonely street. People are asleep. They are sleeping. They are sleeping. That is why. Okay, the word giant refers to whom? The watchman, the shadow, lantern, the speaker. So here the word giants refers to the lantern. A lantern shows the word giants. Okay, refers to giant. Giants refers to lantern. Okay, the speaker. Option A, looks at the watchman, is a friend of the watchman, is afraid of the watchman, and likes the life of a watchman. For talking about the watchman, the speaker what? Likes the life of the watchman because watchman is the free person. Okay, at night they are free. That is why the speaker likes the life of the watchman. Number 5, the adjective form of lonely is. The adjective form of lonely is what? Lone. Lone is the adjective verb. Lone, some boy. Okay, so lone is the adjective Okay, then next. Here, a child wishes to. A child wishes to what? Take breakfast at noon. Be a watchman. Wash his dress. Get up early in the morning. So, out of these four options, a child wishes to what? Be a watchman. Now, second, when no one checks him, he will. No one checks him means a boy. When no one checks him, he will what? Not get baked in the sun, not spoil his clothes, walk the street all the night, and not indulged in gossip. So the answer is when no one checks him, he will walk the street all night. He will walk the street all night. Then next, number third. The child wishes to become. The child wishes to become what? Doctor, an engineer, a hawker, or teacher. A teacher. So out of these four, option third is the correct answer. Hawker. He wishes to become what? Hawker. Because hawker is a free person and sell something whatever he has. The word giant is what? Noun, gerund, verb, and adjective. So the word giant here, the word is giant noun. What? Noun. This word, the giant is a noun. Number 5. The hawker leads a what? Pious life, carefree life, miserable life, or peaceful life. So the hawker leads to carefree life. Carefree. What? Carefree. Leads to carefree life. Number 6. According to the poet, the gardener should. According to the poet, the gardener should what? Plant only weeds, be punished for soiling his clothes, plant flowers and vegetables, and plant fruit. So according to the poet, the gardener should what? The gardener should be punished for soiling his clothes. Make dust on his clothes. Number 7. When the mother sends him to bed, the poet is. At night, the mother told the poet that to go to your bed. That time the poet what? The poet is unhappy, happy, revengeful, or jealous. So the poet is unhappy. Because at the night he saw this watchman. Watchman is free to go outside wherever he likes. When the author is what? Inside the house, and his mother told him that go to your bed and sleep. So the poet is unhappy. Number 8. When all seems free, the poet feels. When all seems means watchman, hawker, and gardener. This all seems free, the poet feels what? Shocked to join them, envious to go to sleep. So when this all seems free, the poet feels envious of them because he is not free, and these all are free. That is why. So friends, these are the MCQs of the poem, Unit 8, Vocation. I hope you understand about the poem and these MCQs. And you should write this MCQ in your notebook. Thank you.